3 months, and I bought him a heater. His house is freezing during the winter.
I understand, baby. You're just being the best daughter you can be, and I respect that.
Yeah, thanks. And just so you know, it is a shared account. I put as much money as you put in.
I know. I just want to make sure we are using that money wisely and not spending it on stupid things.
So, my dad is a stupid thing to spend money on?
I didn't say that. I clearly stated that I think it's going to a good use.
Whatever.
You gonna be home soon?
Don't think so. He asked if I could stay another night.
Oh, okay. Just let me know if you need anything.
Thank you.
Baby, I was thinking I'll be around the area tonight since I'm helping out my friend down there. You want me to stop by and bring you guys some food?
I already told you I stocked up his fridge with food.
Okay, maybe just to say hello then?
It's fine, baby, trust me. He doesn't like too much going on. He only likes my company.
Alright, talk in a bit then. Alexa, where the f*** are you?
With my dad? What are you